Hello students of class 9. Today we are in the second part of the chapter Geomorphic Processes and Landforms of the Earth. Open page 55. I will start from Fold Mountain. Fold Mountain, the mountains which are formed by folding or bending of the rock strata due to the force of compression are known as fold mountain. So what are fold mountains? The mountains which are formed by the process of compression or folding of the rock is called fold mountain. Origin of fold mountain. Fold mountains are formed by the result of compression. Fold mountains are formed due to the horizontal movement. Horizontal movement is responsible for the formation of fold mountain, that is this type of movement. This movement is responsible for the formation of fold mountain. The horizontal movement is responsible. Fold mountains are formed when horizontal movement of the earth surface takes place due to internal force and earthquake. The heat of the interior often causes disturbance for which earthquake or earth movement takes place. Compression and tension occurs, and as a result the rock bed turns into great fold mountains. Now, the plate tectonic theory regarding the origin of fold mountain. The plate tectonic is the modern theory regarding the origin of fold mountain. It is the modern scientists advocates that the formation and fold mountain result in plate continental origin. According to this theory, the earth crust is made up of many plates. You know, there are several major plates. There are 7 major plates, and some are continental plates, some are oceanic plates. And this the asthenosphere is a layer that lies under the mantle at about 100 to 200 meter crust, below the crust. The temperature of this layer is about 15,000 degrees Celsius. Substances on these layers are molten and viscous due to excessive heat. But hot and molten material come upward and resulting to the pressure, and as a result of that pressure the sediments starts to squeeze. The sediments starts to squeeze and result in the formation of big folds, and these small folds gradually enlarges itself and result in the formation of fold mountain. These fold mountains are the very important example of fold mountains are Himalaya, Alps, Rockies, Andes, etc. These are the examples of fold mountain. Now see, these fold mountains, this is the upfolded part and this is the downfolded part, upfolded part, downfolded part. This upfolded part is known as anticline and the downfolded part is known as syncline. In fold mountain, the upfolded part is known as anticline and the downfolded part of the fold mountain is known as syncline. The upfolded part forms the mountain and the downfolded part forms the valleys. Okay, am I clear to all? Example along with the formation of fold mountain is very important. You have to prepare the plate tectonic theory regarding the origin of fold mountain. The theory of plate tectonic regarding the origin of fold mountain is very important. The definition, what is the definition of fold mountain with example. What is anticline, what is syncline? Anticlines forms the mountains, synclines forms the valleys. Now next comes the characteristics of fold mountains. First, the anticline and syncline portion. The anticlines forms the mountain and the synclines forms the valleys. Number 2, fold mountains also shows faulting caused by earth movement. Fold mountains are formed by the excessive deformed sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, because of excessive pressure, is deformed to form fold mountain. Movement of lithospheric plates towards each other is situated along the edge of the mountain. Now fold mountains are of 2 types. One is young fold mountain, one is old fold mountain. One is young, one is old. Fold mountains are of 2 types. One is young fold mountain, one is old fold mountain. So the two definitions is important. Two definitions are important. What is young fold mountains? Young fold mountains are about 10 to 25 million years ago. These mountains are the loftiest mountain. They have average height of 3000 meter from the sea level. Example of young fold mountains are Himalayas of Asia, Alps of Europe, Rockies. The Himalaya is an young fold mountain. The height of the mountain is still rising, so Himalaya is the earthquake prone zone of the earth. And what are old fold mountains? The mountains which are formed about more than 200 million years ago are called old fold mountain. Their mountain building process stops or ceases. The mountain formation or the height of the mountain is not increasing. The formation is complete. That is called the old fold mountain. Example of old fold mountains are the Aravallis, Appalachian, Great Dividing Range of Australia. These are the examples of old fold mountain. So in this video, this part is very important: definition, characteristics, formation on the basis of plate tectonic theory, what is anticline, what is syncline, what are the definitions of young fold mountain, old fold mountain, the definition along with examples, and if I give the differences between them, that also you have to prepare. Okay, so here I am ending this video. In the next class, in next video I will start from volcanic mountain. Thank you, class.